Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Yes, today we can learn exercise 1.5, some word problems. Yes, so these exercise 1.5 completely on four fundamental operations we can use it. Yes, what are the four fundamental operations? So nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Using that four fundamental operations we can solve these word sums. Yes, so before that, so first we need to understand that word sum. So which operation we have to apply? Yes, children. So first I can read that first question. Yes, so the number of people who visited games village during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded. Yes, 15,290. Okay, here some 4 days that numbers is given. Then find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Yes, so what you can understand here? So the number of people visited the games in a village during the Commonwealth Games. So it is held at New Delhi. So how many days? 4 days. So how many in that 4 days? Each day how many people are visited or watched? So here mentioned, so 15,290 in the first day and 14,181 in the second day and 14,235 and in the third day and 10,578 in the fourth day. So 4 days how many people are visited? Okay, here in the Commonwealth Games he is given. So each day per day how many people are visited is given. No, now find the total number of people. So here find the total means what we should do, which operation we should apply? Yes, addition. Yes, so we can add that 4 days. Yes, we can add the 4 days number of people, how many people are visited in these 4 days, then we can add. So then we know that total, yes, number of people visited in these 4 days. Yes, children. Now coming to the question, here whatever the word sums we need to write the statements. Yes, so visited the games on first day, how many members? 15,290. So each day how many people are visited, we can write in that as a statements. Yes, so in the first day, second day, third day, fourth day. So these 4 days how many are watched? So just I wrote in that statement. So then after total number of people visited. Yes, so total means which operation we should apply? Addition. So these 4 days we should add it. Yes, children. So these 4 days we can add it. So you already know that how to do that addition. So then you can add it and write it. Yes, children. So these all are 54,284. Yes, 54,284 people are visited 4 days. Okay, what are the Commonwealth Games? Yes, children. So this is the first question. And now going to the second one. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes. Yes, so elected candidate in the sense those who are win that election. So those who are win that election, that person got that votes 5,87,500 votes. And defeated candidate, so defeated in the sense those who are loser. Yes, so those who are loser in that election, that person got the 3,52,768. By how many votes did the winner win the collection? Yes, so those who are winner got that 5,87,500 and loser got the 3,52,768. So by how many votes winner win the election? So here which operation we should apply? Yes, by how many votes he are asking. So for that we can use that subtraction. Yes, so how many elected candidate means winner win the votes 5,87,500 minus 3,52,768. So then we get that how many votes the winner win that election. Yes, children. So write down the statements. Elected candidate got votes how much? 5,87,500 and defeated candidate got the votes, yes, 3,52,768. Here we are applying that subtraction operation, no? So then we can do that subtraction. Yes, so 5,87,500 minus 3,52,768. Here, so whenever even in the addition, subtraction or multiplication, whatever it is, we can start from ones place. Yes, now here, so here 500, no, so 0 0 from the ones place, here 0, no, so 0 minus 8, it's not move, no, so then so borrow 10 9 and here again 14, so like that here 2 and 9 minus 6 3 and here one already left, so what is that? 14 Yes, so 14 minus 7 is the 7 and 6 minus 2 is that 4 and 8 minus 5 is the 3 and 5 minus 3 is that 2. So winner win the how many votes? By how many votes? 2,34,732. Yes children. So this is a second one. Now going to third one. So write the greatest and smallest number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7 and find their difference. Yes, so here only the digits is given. So how many digits is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. 5 digits is given. Using the digits, first we should write as a greatest number and smallest number. Yes children. So then after find their difference. So difference in the sense what we should do? Subtraction. Yes children, so difference in the sense we should do the subtraction. Given that 5 digit number, first we should write as a greatest number, then smallest number, then you should find that subtraction. Yes, so first let we see that what is the greatest number and what is the smallest. Using the digits, greatest number is, yes, greatest number always start from biggest number, okay, biggest digit in that okay, biggest digit in that given digits. Yes, so what is the greatest digit here? 7. So then after 5, 4, 3, 0. So this is that greatest number. So greatest in the sense given the digits we are writing as in a descending order. So that is a greatest number. Yes children, here what are the digits is given here? 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7 is given. So these 5 digits we can write as a descending order. Yes, so that is a greatest number. So 7, 5, 4, 3, 0. Then now we can write as a smallest number. Yes, smallest number means so 3, 0, 4, 5, 7. Yes, you are having the doubt. 0 is the smaller. Now why we are writing in the second in the sense? So whenever the given digits 0 is there, we can write as in a second place. So then after next smallest digit in the first place. Yes children. So 0 after next smallest is that 3. So 0 always we can write as in a next place. Yes, so 3, 0, 4, 5, 7. So this is then a smallest number. Here next we can do the difference. So difference means subtraction. Now 7, 5, 4, 3, 0 minus 3, 0, 4, 5, 7. Now here 0 minus 7 is not possible. So then write 10. Here 2 backward number. So again 2 minus 5 is not possible. So 12. Again that backward number is that 3. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So again 13 and backward number. So like that you should write. Now 10 minus 7 is 3 and 12 minus 5 is the 7 and 13 minus 4 is 9 and then here 4 minus 0. So 0 subtracted from any number we will get the same number. So 4 and then 7 minus 3 is 4. So what is the difference? Greatest minus smallest is 44,973. Yes children. Now next question is a bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Yes children, so 3,125 so bicycles each day. So one of that industry, so that is the making that bicycle. So that industry one day how many bicycles he can the company can make? So 3,125 each day in the sense one day. Yes, so one day 3,125 so manufacturing. So then find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. Yes, so one day that company produced that 3,125. Then find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. So in completely July month, how many bicycles the company can produce? Okay, now first, so one day how many bicycles can produce? 3,125. Then in July. Yes children, so first we have to write that July month how many days will be there? Yes, in some months 30, 31 and 28. February 28 or 29 will be there. So remaining, so you can identify that 30 or 31. So first we need to write that July month how many number of days will be there? Yes children, now here a bicycle industry, first write down the statements. Industry makes bicycle each day. So here each day in the sense per day in the sense one day. So 3,125. Then number of days in the month of July. Yes, so number of days in the month of July how many days? So 31 days. Yes children, here so which operation we should apply here? Multiplication. Yes, one day one day how many cycles can produce is given. So in 31 days how many cycles can produce? Yes children, so for that we should do that multiplication. Yes, now 3125 multiply with 31. So here 2 digit number, no, so 2 steps multiplication here. First multiply with 1, so 1 5s are 5 and 1 2s are 2 and 1 and 3. So whatever the number multiply with 1, so we will get the same number. So then after next digit, moving to the next tens place digit, here once you observe here this one also we can start from ones place only. Yes, now multiply with 3. Yes, so 3 5s are 15 here. So in the ones place digit just keep into or 0 whatever it is that. So then multiply with 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6 plus 1 carry is there, no. So then 7 and 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So then after 2 step multiplication, so then after do that addition. Yes, so 5 and 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 3 plus 3 6 and 9. So in the month of July how many bicycles can produce that company? So 96,875. Here whenever we are doing the multiplication, smallest or each day or okay, smallest one is given. So in the sense each day, one day is given, so we should multiply with 31. So how 31 days that we should find out. Yes, one day is given, we should multiply with 31 now. So 31 days is how many bicycles can produce here. So for that we should do that multiplication. Yes children, so this is about that fourth question. Now coming to the fifth one. Now fifth one, a helicopter covers 600 km in 1 hour. Yes, so how much distance will it cover in 4 hours? Express your answer in meters. Yes, so helicopter covers 600 km in 1 hour. So in 1 hour how much distance the helicopter covers? 600 km. Here how many how many hours here asking? 4 hours. Yes, so just as usual that fourth one only. Here 1 day is given, here 1 hour is given. Okay, just compare it and you can understand that question. A helicopter covers 600 km in 1 hour. 1 hour the helicopter covers the distance is 600 km. Then for 4 hours, so how much distance the helicopter will cover? So what we should do? Yes, multiplication. So first helicopter covers the distance in 1 hour, 600 km. So how many hours we should find? 4 hours. Yes, here total distance is, here already zeros will be there, no. So whenever multiplying with zeros is 0 and then 4 6 are 24. So total how many kilometers? 2400 kilometers. Yes children, now here one more is there. What is that means? Express your answer in meters. Here whatever the answer after multiplication we are getting in the kilometer, now this kilometer is converted into the meters. Yes, now 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. So this one everyone has to learn compulsory, that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So then here how many kilometers we get that answer? So 2400 kilometer. Yes, or 2400 kilometer. Now 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, then 2400 kilometer. 2400 into 1000 multiply with 1000. Yes, so here already 3 zeros and 2 zeros. So 24, here 2 zeros and 3 zeros. Yes, so very easy to multiply with zeros in nothing but tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, so 2 lakh or 24 lakh meters. Yes children, so 2400 multiply with 1000. Here already 3 zeros in the 1000, then here 2 zeros. So 24 lakh, yes, meters. So this is an answer. Yes, so whatever these all the questions you can note down in your notebook. Yes, once again practice it all those questions. Yes children, remaining question we can learn tomorrow. Yes, thank you.